Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit. And in this video series of Java interview questions, we are going to see one more interview uh, question, which is reversing an array. So it is very simple program for the beginners, but it may be asked in the interview. So let's see how we can reverse an array. Okay, so in this, I have created one class reverse array, and in this we have public static void main. And in here, I am going to create one method, public static void main, not main, but reverse array. And in here, it is going to receive an array. Okay, so integer ARR. So basically what it is going to, what we need to do, we need to just print in reverse order. So, okay. So let's suppose ARR is having 2, 4, 6, 12, 45, and so on. These many elements, and in the reverse array, we want to print it in this format. 45, then 12, then 6, then 4, then 2. Okay, so in this format, basically we want to print. So it is very simple. So let's understand what we do at first. So as we know, in the array, basically, um, it starts from the index 0. So 0th index is 2, 4, 6, 12, and 45. Like that, it goes indexing of array. Okay, so let's see what uh, once we print any particular once we try to print that array, what it gets printed. Okay, so here I am going to call this array, and in here I am going to pass, let's suppose this is an array of integer array ARR equals. Okay, so this is one of the array, and here we are passing this ARR to this. Okay, so let's see how it prints. Okay, so since we are directly printing it, hence it is giving in this way. But let's see, if we want to print the elements of it, so we need to use an any loop, basically. So ARR dot length I equals to 0, then, and in that way it is going to print. So ARR dot so ARR, or simply we can write I of ARR. Okay, so it is going to print us all the numbers. So since we have used this ln, so it is printing it in 2, 4, 6, 12, 45. Okay, so if we want to print this array in the reverse order, then in that case, what we need to do, we need to uh, start the loop from the ARR dot length. Okay, so in this also, since ARR dot length, so how this indexing works in this? So for array 0th index, this 2 is available, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So although length of array is 5, because 5 elements are there, but um, this I, if we will give I equals to 5, then it is going to give us index out of bound issue. Okay, so in that case, what we need to do, we need to is we need to run this from arr.length -1, which means length of this array is 5, 6, or no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the length, but index of this array goes from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that case, so if we are going to run this in this way, then uh, we will be getting index out of bound. So let's see. Okay, so java.lang array index of bound exception because index 5 out of bounds for length 5. So as we see, it has uh, from index 0 to 4, but we are trying to fetch fifth indexed element. So that's why it is giving us index out of bound exception. Okay, so for that, we need to run it from array.length -1. So I is greater than equal to 0. So we need to run this till 0 and I minus minus. That means we want to reduce it. Okay, so from back to front, we are printing now. So let's see if it gets reversed. Okay, so we see 45, 12, 6, 4, 2, like that. It is printing from the back side to front side. Okay, so that was it. This was pretty much very simple. Uh, Pretty simple um, program. So that was it in this program. And thank you for watching this video.